Hey, hi. Good morning. Good evening.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Each and everyone went through the data. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning,
Sir,
Rupa.
I'll be back in 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Rakshu, Smita,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I go through that.
you identified what are the data related to and what are the significant information you need to be handy.
Yeah, I tried my best.
Okay.
So I have one question regarding that data.
Yes. Yes, please, sir.
So like regarding primary key and foreign key.
Hmm.
So in these there are tables, product category and product subcategory.
Mm-hmm.
Two tables are there.
Hmm.
So in product category we have product category key.
Okay.
So that is primary key for that table.
Okay.
Okay. And then in product subcategory table, we
Mm-hmm.
have product category key also and product subcategory key also,
Hmm.
the new one.
Hmm.
So that product category key in product subcategory table will be the foreign key.
For which table?
Product subcategory table, the second one.
What is the difference between primary key and foreign key?
Like primary key will be the unique in one table. Like in product category key, product category key is unique. All the rows will data will be unique in every row.
Okay. What is the foreign key?
Yeah, that's I am asking. I have little bit confusion in that. So in product subcategory table, there is product subcategory key and product category key that is also in product category table, the earlier one.
Mhm.
So that is
You know,
related.
if you clearly say, if I clearly say, I am able to hear product and category and product.
Product category and product subcategory key. Two keys are there.
Remember, primary key is to identify uniquely in specific table.
Huh.
That is clear, right?
Yes, yeah, that is clear.
And foreign key is nothing but one field in one table, but that is primary key in another table.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Now got it. Yeah, that was like little bit not at that point. So now with your sentence, I'm clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Very much clear.
Mm,
Thank you.
no problem.
Sir, you mean
Re-
to say foreign key? So you said primary key. I know primary key is the unique column name or in a table which connects with the another table, like unique one. But here
Mm-hmm.
the product category key in product categories is the primary key.
Mm.
Okay, to connect, to join with it with product subcategories. So
That
we
is
can
a
do it.
foreign key.
That's a
In product subcategory field, primary key is a foreign key.
Okay, got it. So the product category key in the subcategories is it's the foreign key here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So we got 11 tables from the data set yesterday.
Mm.
The rest is all related to one another, the products, customers, calendar, and everything.
Okay.
This Kickstarter, it is nowhere connected, right, sir?
It's totally different. Like, yeah.
It's taking time, like whenever you use this.
Yeah, whenever I
Um,
try to use that in the Tableau, it is like,
So I
Yeah,
told
it
you,
take
right?
like a
Don't
few
use
seconds.
Kickstarter. I told you many times, right? Don't use that.
Even we cancel that, it's taking time.
Mm.
but
Right.
that Kickstarter project, like the data set, it is very interesting, sir. Like,
Yes,
That will be interesting. Why? Because here we're going to discuss some things. Then
Yeah.
after that, we'll go through that.
okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
sir.
even I cancel that, but it's taking time to canceling.
Just you need
Yeah.
to do Control Alt Delete and go to the
Yeah, I did lot of
push.
times that.
You're able to see my PPT.
Yes, sir.
So,
Market leaders in business intelligence platforms. Can you please see which are available, which are there?
What, sir? Leaders, Microsoft.
Market
and
leaders.
yeah,
Market leaders in business intelligence.
business intelligence. Microsoft Salesforce.
my
Q.
business.
Microsoft Power BI, the product of Microsoft, nothing but Power BI.
Power BI. Yeah.
And a product of Salesforce. That is nothing but Tableau.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the recent Gartner information. Different segments, quadrant. You're able to see who are the leaders, who are the
Challenges.
challengers, visionaries, and
Niche players.
hmm,
Okay.
previously MicroStrategy is on this particular continent, but some investments are happening in cryptocurrency and all those things. The value and the reputation got damaged. And there it finalized. Okay, can you please check? So I'll tell some default settings, and then after that we'll go to it. Files, options and settings, options. Each and everyone. That preview features. You need to deselect all those things.
Mm.
Okay, you need to restart when you changed all those things.
Restart the system, sir.
No.
Power BI.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
sir, we have to decheck all things like Power BI desktop.
Yes,
in
right.
desktop
You need
web.
to uncheck all the preview features. Why? Because those are like a beta and beta features. Those are not fully developed and those are not implemented. That is not required for us, right? Here we are we came to learn in detail functionality and to understand how Power BI is going to work.
Okay. Review features, right, sir?
Mm.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Then okay.
and after that, data load. The data load, you need to uncheck these two:
Data load.
update or delete relationships when refreshing data, auto detect new relationships after data is loaded. Why? Because we don't want to use its intelligence. We want to learn our, with our intelligence, how we are going to do.
Sir, what did you do in this data load? You selected detect column types.
You deselect the update or delete relationships when refreshing data and auto detect new columns.
I got you. Okay.
So in your screen, what I see is type detection, it is selected. Same thing you want us to do, sir, or?
Sorry.
No, I see in your screen,
Mm-hmm.
in the data load,
Okay.
the type detection is, the column is checked, relationship, the first import is checked. You want us to do the same thing or deselect everything?
No. How it will be look like on my screen?
Okay,
That will be the. In that way, you can adjust your settings.
okay. Data load. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
after that, can you please check in the regional settings, English United States is there or not?
That's English United States.
Okay. All these three settings are completed. Okay. What is the use of Power BI? Can you please go through each and every one which you are able to see on the screen? Is there anything difficult to understand? Please let me know. I'll give 5 minutes. Just go through these 5 points. Yes, I'll share this PPT. You don't have too many slides. Sir. It's not the entire PPT. Just for the information purpose, I kept this.
ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసి ఎక్స్పైర్ అయిపోయిందా?
డబ్బా ఒక దాంట్లో ఉంది, ఇంకో దాంట్లో
ఒక్క నిమిషం చూడు.
What, what is the first point? What is the second? What is the third? And what is the fourth? And what is the fifth? Why Power BI?
Different. So it's saying it can connect to multiple databases and it can transform the data and
So
analyze.
I don't need
Okay.
explanation. If you are not able to understand any of the point, please let me know.
Okay. Sir, can you go back to the thing once?
Okay.
So that data analysis expression is that like by which we are using the calculation, like formulas or functions?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Okay.
Each and everyone are clear on this point.
Yes, sir.
We can able to connect and transform and analyze millions of rows of data. Either it may be in a traditional database, or it's in a cloud service, or it in a flat files, or it is located in a text files in the format of in different type of formats in the folder. And you can able to design a model with help of the with help of this particular blending features. And if you want to do any complex calculations, you can use DAX. You know, right? What is the meaning of DAX?
Meaning of?
What is DAX? You're calling, right?
It's
Yes,
Data
data analysis expression.
expressions.
And
Hmm.
after that,
Visual
interactive reports and
dashboard.
dashboards. And another thing is, it is completely free. Like Tableau, there is no restriction on it. We can use completely free. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll discuss some concepts. We'll discuss some questions. Okay, Excel versus Tableau versus Power BI. I'll give 5 minutes. You can use your resources and try to find out two interesting points in this comparison with respect to Excel, with respect to Tableau, and with respect to Power BI. You understand my question?
Mm.
Take a 5 minutes of time, and each and everyone try to gather some information related to it. Okay, completed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please go? Anyone can start. Tell me.
So Excel is most likely it's a Microsoft product and it is used for day-to-day operations mostly by accountants and all, and also for the data analysis. And
Mhm.
it will allow you to connect to huge data and multiple data sources. On the other, and both Excel and Power BI uses Power Query to fetch the data. The difference between both of them is like Power BI, it is this Excel, it's a spreadsheet application, but Power BI is a business tool. So it will help you in making quick analysis, and also it will provide you with different types of visualizations and different types of maps and do quick measures, calculation measures. And coming to Tableau, Excel, and Power BI, Tableau can handle a large volume of data, but Power BI couldn't handle large volumes of data. So, and Tableau is little hard to learn, and Power BI is easy to learn, and it is mostly used by the like anybody can learn it. It's very easy to learn, but Power BI, it is little hard to learn. And also Power BI uses DAX for calculating measures and all, for the calculated fields and calculating the measures. And Tableau uses the measures, dimensions, and expressions to deploy the same kind of functionalities. So after reading three of the things, I felt Tableau is best option, since it is since it supports data connecting to different kinds of huge data and different types of data sources, whereas in Power BI, I think the data sources are limited, and it will be updated on monthly. Whenever the update happens, V2 will get updated. That's what I understood.
Okay. What about you, Prakshu?
Like for me, like in Power BI, we can access data anywhere, but not with Excel.
Okay.
And it's like lot of visualization we can do in Power BI, but for Excel, we have to go into deep with other functionalities of the Excel if we want to do that lot of things in that.
Okay. Right. Now, if you're able to observe, you're able to see the Power BI, right? Power BI desktop.
Hmm.
What are the options available in this particular ribbon for the home?
Hmm.
For the home, get data, Excel workbook, data
Those are
SQL Server
highlighted.
data, enter data, Dataverse, recent sources, transform data, new visual, text box, and more visuals, and some calculations, measures, and some sensitivity, and publish.
Okay. For example, if you see, this is the area where you can able to write a queries, transform data, and you're able to see, right? Queries. This is the area where you will write some queries. Okay. And if you come to insert,
Visualization.
Insert.
you're able to see.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Key influences, decomposition tree,
Decomposition tree, key influencers,
smart narrative.
and smart narrative. These are the things which are used for visualization. Okay, if you come to the modeling, different options you are able to see. for modeling. Manage relationships, new measure, quick measure, new column, new table, change detection, new parameter, manage role, view as. You're able to see? That is. In the view, you have another different option. And you need to remember this thing carefully.
Performance analyzer.
Yes, performance analyzer. Okay.
Hmm.
What is the use of the performance analyzer? To optimize the reports. Okay. Just remember these things we'll use in our and help is, right? You have a lot of things in it. You have a community, you have blogs, information. You can able to refer the documentation. All these things. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In home, query editor is important for us.
Transform data
In-
and
in
like-
insert these things, AI visuals and power platforms
okay.
and visuals. In modeling, calculations,
Manage relationships.
are important.
Yes.
In view, performance analyzer.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
How you will connect the data?
Connect or collect, sir?
Connect.
Connect.
Yes.
You say like get data?
Import data from Excel and
Yeah, you can also say get data. And they'll get options.
Excel or CSV format? Which format?
I think they're all CSV, sir.
adventure customers.
It is CSV.
It can connect to any. We already discussed it, right? That particular thing. If you observe, get data. Okay. Keep like this. Once your data is loaded, what we need to do?
You'll say load.
What is the purpose of this? When we are loading the data, it will read this thing and it will show how it will be.
Hmm.
Okay. And it is
Yeah.
saying the thing which I understood is right or not. It is asking us. Extract table using examples. Load, transform data, cancel.
Yes.
Okay. See this one? Where what you're able to see, build visuals with your data. Select or drag fields from the field pane into the report canvas. We call this space as canvas. Okay.
Hmm.
Here you are able to see adventure works. What do you need to do?
You
How
just-
we did drag and drop. Okay, for example, email address. Okay, email address.
Map and field visual are
What you are
disabled.
able to see?
Map and field map visuals are disabled.
And gender. Map and field map visuals are disabled. To enable them, go to file, options and settings, and options and global security. Okay. What they are suggesting? File, options,
Global.
for the options and settings, right? We need to go. Files, options and settings. Options. Settings. Once again, I need to go to options, global security.
Would have been security.
Options again. Then
Options and settings. Once again, go to options. In options, where is the global?
Sir, ఇక్కడ option global security. Sir, go up
Okay.
in the global part,
Security.
security above.
Okay. Right.
map and field map.
Okay. Now we'll see. Email address, that may be definitely a unique thing, right? And gender.
It's not in.
You're able to observe?
Mm.
You're able to see?
Mm.
Here you're able to see the table, and these are the visualization selection options.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And these are the different filters you can able to add. Leave that thing. But up to now, can you please look into these things? Okay. Is there any difference up to now compared with the Tableau? You getting what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Education level and occupation.
Hmm.
Now, if you observe, all these visualizations are not suitable for each and every data combination which we are expecting. And those are not meaningful also in sometimes.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
The most important part is here selecting the fields and selecting the visualizations. If you observe, if you select this one, whatever you're going to select, it will show only this thing only, right? Nothing it will show. Map is not responsible and it will be not useful for each and every situation.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sure.
Now what you will do, right? Now, if you observe our data, this is our entire data, right?
Mm.
Which we loaded. You have some specific functions in each and every case. For example, if you went to home, You're able to see if you choose the transform data, what is open, what's happened? What happened in the transforming the data?
What did it transform, sir?
Sir, how it's come from where? Like,
You're able to see, right? I asked you to
okay,
query
transform data.
transform data.
Transform data.
Hmm.
Okay. In that, if you choose transform, you're able to see these are the number functions. These are the text columns. These are the functions which will be used for the text columns. These are the functions which will be used for the number column.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And you have different options: merging the columns, extracting specific value, parsing, splitting the column. All are directly available. Just you need to do some specific experimentation. These are related to date and time column. These are the functions which will be suitable for. These are the three categories, right? Either number or text or date. Three are the different
Hmm.
categories of data available in a real time.
Hmm.
Okay.
So like it is now in transforming data table, it is showing like this 1, 2, 3 customer key in the header. So that means this is the transforming table,
This is
transform table, like transforming data. Because in earlier one, when we were here in Power BI desktop one, there was only filter on customer key. But
you're
now
able to
it
see
is showing.
where it came into the picture. This is the Power Query. Someone asked,
Hmm.
if you remember,
Ah,
what is
oh,
the difference between Power Query and Power BI?
normal one. Hmm. Okay, okay.
Okay, Power Query and Power BI are running on the same engine.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the Power Query, sir.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. It will come if you choose to the transform data,
Hmm.
then
Mhm.
it will come.
Okay.
Okay. Just go with the 10 or 15 minutes. Just get a call. I'll get back to you. Be on the
Okay.
line in that. Nirupa, I'm making you the host. Can you please share the link in the WhatsApp?
What link, sir? Okay. So why am I host now? What sir want me to share here?
No idea.
There's a transforming that data
Me.
one.
Maybe Power BI desktop you can share.
Okay, you want me to share my screen?
I think so. Like sir was about to say like that. I don't know. Like
Okay, I will
clearly.
share and we can because it will not make any big difference. So okay. So here so in the transform data, so this means 1, 2, 3. This means it is numeric ones. This is the related to text field. That's what it is getting displayed here. And Did we get any? Did sir send anything here? Message or something?
That's mine.
Okay.
New source.
Okay. So, okay, that is transforming data, and this is, we are back to the canvas. I'm just checking like what is what. I used this, I can tell you this is like the three things which we find here, right? This is the formatting, like to format your visuals. Here we can format it depending upon whatever we want, like the text. See, these things changed. The text, how to change these things, title, gender. Okay. Okay. That is. Okay, got it.
Why my diagram is not coming like this? I don't know.
Which one?
This diagram.
I will. Okay. You want to share your screen, Prakshu?
The Smita.
Smita?
I'm not doing anything in Power BI.
Okay.
You know, I try first, but I don't know why it's not happening.
I will stop sharing my screen. You show, we will.
Okay. The transformer work. Let me. Okay. Can you see now?
Nirupa,
So-
regarding those questions that are like my questions, I want to ask to sir. That's why I sent them.
The things we didn't cover, Prakshu, the ones which you.
Nirupa, can you see my screen
So
now?
Yes,
you are
I.
asking me or you are telling me like we didn't cover?
No, I'm asking you, did we cover? I know we didn't cover. So.
See,
Yeah, so it is not coming here because, okay, do like this. Okay, did you, this one, right? Annual income, you select this and you put this in the values, annual income. Here values is there, right? Legend, values, details in the visualization part.
Yeah.
You grab that annual income to the values here. Yes.
So
You grab the annual income from here, from the table, from the
okay.
fields, and grab to the values here.
Here, where
Yes,
on my.
yes, put it there. It will.
Oh, okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, now you can do the formatting and you can do searching. The search button, you can also search like whenever, whatever you want to search. If you're searching for a particular field, like column name or something, you can search there. Or I'll just see.
Okay, now I will stop sharing. Now you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nirupa.
Yeah. And last week, I just, I went through this thing like before going to Houston.
Nirupa, are you going to share your screen?
Yeah, I did, Prakshu.
Can you give me a little brief? I was not in front of my screen.
Okay, Taru,
little bit?
yes, Taru, till now what sir is telling is, he's just saying this part, what we are seeing, right? This white part.
Uh-huh.
This white part is called canvas. We will have 3 different partitions here. Here, whatever data we load, that table will be coming here in the fields.
Okay.
Okay, here, this is the visualizations part. He
Mhm.
didn't tell that yet. I'm just telling. So this part, this is for searching, and this is for formatting, and this is, for building the visual. Like you can choose whatever you want, and this is called legend. You can pull here and values. Here you can keep the numerical values here. And for any details, you can put it here. And for tooltips, you can, these are the filters we used, like the drill. Sir didn't tell till now. I'm just telling because I'm just giving a brief thing. So these are the different types of filters in Power BI, like the drill through, cross report, keep all the filters.
Okay.
I think they play a very important role in Power BI. Like lot of interview questions, they are asking about the drill throughs, different types of, what are the different types of filters and all.
Okay.
This part is this, and what sir said is, if you this, how this table came here means, you see in the home button, you see transform data, right?
Yeah.
He just asked us to press this
Okay.
and transform data. You press it,
Okay.
this table will open. It is just showing you which field is numerical, like
Just
if
a minute. How did you get this table in here in Power Query Editor?
I will tell you.
Sorry, I missed everything.
No, that's
Home, there is a transform data.
in this main
First
page,
you
right?
loaded the data, yeah, through Excel workbook?
CSV. First, you to load the data, you press
Yes,
this.
yes, okay.
This
And then the
particular
data will
file
come.
is CSV
Okay.
file. This one,
Okay.
it will load the file, and you just press load. Here, all the data will get loaded. We can see what is the table which loaded. Then you can just play around, like to see the different types of what is this visuals, what we can do.
You have to, one is Power BI desktop and one is Power Query. I mean, to how do you?
Power Query, that's what I'm telling. To open to the Power Query, here in the main Power BI page, this transform data is there in the home button. In this home ribbon, this transform data, you press transform data. Once you press that, this will pop up.
Okay.
So what it is doing is, what sir said is, it is transforming the data. So as far as I understood, transforming means it is just telling us which field name, like is that this, it's saying 1, 2, 3 numerical.
Okay.
The first
This is
name
okay.
text. Till now, till then, sir told.
This is the date.
Yeah, date and all. Till now, that's what sir told, and he said he will be back.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I was hearing, but
I
couldn't
know.
see the screens. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I am feeling little sleepy too. So on and off, I'm hearing.
I am feeling like this is a little easier than Tableau. Is it right?
This part till here, it is easy, Taru. I did couple of things actually.
Oh, okay.
So, all these things, these are very easy to do and see. Like,
map and pie chart. Okay.
the main things which we need to know is this include option, exclude option, view and exporting the data, all this type of things we,
Did you already covered or you did it on your own?
I did it on my own. So the thing is, we have this type of map here actually. The one I'll show now, we have this type of map here. I liked it very much, the aerial view. The main thing in Power BI, what we need to know, like the data modeling part is very, very important as far as I know, and the DAX part. DAX scripting, if we know them, I think it's good enough for us. See this aerial map. Yeah, same sample store, I guess. The sample store
okay.
must be global store. I don't know.
One more time, where did you click?
This map is there,
This
right?
map.
Yeah.
Maps, in the maps.
Hmm.
In the maps, I think it will ask you an option saying,
Okay,
did I write a comment here?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I will show you in the maps.
Mhm. Get more visual.
So as a table.
Here only in the format thing,
Mhm.
let me do. In the format thing, we can do it actually.
It's like with this. Sorry.
See here in the map settings, this is the road setting. We can change it to Arial here.
Okay. Mhm.
There are different settings, but that one I liked actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Mm-hmm. Dark isn't that good.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's coming.
Actually, it is easy, but the part is like this part, the drill throughs. If we know them,
We still have to know them, right? Mhm. Latent magnitude.
this part
Size.
include and exclude.
Mm-hmm.
That part. You see, I can show you. See this, you can export if the whole data into as a table. Export data. Okay, it's asking it. I don't want to save it actually, but if we save it, it will export it as a table.
Okay. Sir has left the meeting.
No, he said he will be back.
Okay.
These parts are there, right? Include, exclude. If we know this, like it will, only that part will be included, or we can just exclude whatever we don't want, just press the control key. And if we don't want something, all these are like, they are asking them in the interviews. So if we just press this and say include, it will come like this. Yeah. Okay, we'll go back to this Power Query.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get to see what is this Power Query and all, but as far as I know, this Power BI is divided into 3 components, I guess: Power Query, Power Pivot, and this DAX. So let's see what is this. Okay. I think sir is coming back and he wants me to share the meeting invite. I don't know where it is.
Go to the participants.
Huh?
Okay, sir wants me to share the meeting invite.
Yeah,
Then I'll send it.
yeah, done. Okay, then I will stop sharing the screen.
I sent it in the group. If you can see it.
Hey, hi.
I'll send-
Thanks.
Mhm.
You went through that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You did anything related to it? Oh God. Is it recording?
It says it's recording. I have no idea, sir.
Yes, sir. It says it's recording.
Okay. Now you're able to see my screen, I hope so. Power Query and Power BI. Okay, right. Now, what type of operations you performed in Power Query? Any experiments you did?
No, sir.
You're able to see screen?
Yes,
sir.
but
She was just giving me brief.
Okay. Is this a new thing for you? Where you're able to see normal Excel functionality, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you observe, you have a lot of specific and particular options at here. For example, What is this particular specific module will talk about? Manage columns. What are the options available at there?
Choose and remove.
Sorry?
We can choose any of the columns available in the sheet, and then if we want to.
And you can remove the columns
Remove the
also.
columns also, yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
And related to the rows, what type of things you can able to do? Keep rows on basis of specific conditions and remove rows on basis of some specific conditions which are mentioned at there.
Mm.
Okay. And this is the sorting option. A to Z and ascending and descending order. Okay. You're able to see data type,
Mm.
text decimal number, fixed decimal number. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See these things. These are the data types. Okay. Now use first row as a header.
Mm. Use headers.
Headers, the first row.
Sir, use
Yes.
first row as headers and use headers as first row. How will it know what is a header if we choose this, sir? I'll just click it.
For example, if you observe it here, what you're able to
Hmm.
see?
I did something.
So here first row is also a record actually, right?
Yes.
The header was also a record. Mhm.
These two are different. Using first row as a header is different
Okay.
thing, and using
got
header
it.
as a first row is different.
Yes, use first row
Hmm.
as headers means it is showing and it is not counting that as a row. And if you are pressing the second one, it is counting that as that also as the first row, the header part.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And I told you three types of categories, right? One is the text related, one is number related, and another one is text and number,
Date.
Date.
date
Date.
specific.
Mhm.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
try to explore what are the things available in that particular field. What
Okay.
type of operations you can able to perform and you can able to apply.
Date.
In date, what type of filters will be there? Generally, year, extracting year, month, quarter, week, day. Like how will be in a Tableau, it will be also similar like that. Okay.
So usually one of these will be used, right? In projects, either Tableau or BI, Power BI.
Yes. 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 Absolutely
Both
right.
cannot be possible, right?
No. 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 No.
So we have to prepare for one.
Yes.
Mostly.
Whichever.
I think we
Whichever.
should know both, but that's what I'm asking.
It's not the rule or it's not the mandate.
Okay.
Why? Because
Mhm.
luckily I got an opportunity to work in these two in different organizations, right? So that is the
Yeah.
reason. That's it.
You know both the things, yeah. Mostly, which tool you have seen? I mean, mostly which is
In the
being.
product-based companies,
Okay.
Salesforce tool will be used most of the times.
Mhm.
Which tool will be used, sir?
Salesforce, Tableau.
Tableau,
Product-based
okay.
companies, they'll spend millions and billions, right? They
Uh-huh.
don't care
Hmm.
about the license prices and all those things. The
Mhm.
service-based companies,
They
they'll
will
use Power BI.
probably.
They don't want to spend money on people and as well as tools, right? So that's the thing.
Okay.
Okay. In this also we have adding columns options, aggregations,
Mhm.
groupings, and pivot tables. And we can able to write simple queries how we written queries in Tableau.
Hmm.
And we can able to modify those things and refreshing the queries with a little filters. And we can, you remembered hierarchies in Tableau?
Yes.
How we did. So like that here also we can able to design more hierarchies. And then we all are completed with those things. Then we'll deal with the data modeling. What is data modeling and database normalization? I think anyone asked the database normalization?
What?
Foreign keys, relationships.
Yeah,
Once
it's
again, we're going to discuss
hmm.
Okay. So,
how to create a relationships, what is data blending,
Hmm.
all those things we will see.
so data blending means like joining the tables and all. Kada?
Joining the tables, yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Why?
data
Because we have a
modeling,
data modeling is, okay,
like
which
add,
tables we need to connect and in which flow, in which way the information need to flow.
like if we want to do some quick measures, doing measures, that's what I see here in the modeling part. Like calculated measure fields cheyali అని అంటే something like that, no sir, if it is
Yes.
okay. Okay.
Okay. Those are the things. The first basic thing is compared to Tableau in Power BI, a lot of options are there. What it mean? In Tableau, we need to do a lot of things with our hand, even though it is a simple. But in Power BI, each and everything is already available. Just you need to use that particular specific option in most of the times.
So we should know what option to use specific.
Right. And especially just remember, data is will be in a 3 maximum formats. One is text and another is number and another is calendar. And we have it 3 things: loading the data and transforming the data. We need to know the things, how to which column need to be keep, which row need to be keep, and which row what are the headers and how we need to transform, and where to where we need to connect, and these things. You know, the workflow which I want to tell you. So this is the report. You're able to see the symbol, right? In your Power BI. That is a report. This is the data. And those are the relationships. But not that is the order. That is not the order. How we will do. See the workflow? What we need to do in either Tableau or
Report. Workflow connection.
first we need to connect and shape and transform the raw data. And
Shape
after that we need to
shape means if there are any null values or something to remove them, sir.
for example, sometimes you have a okay, your name and your mobile number, and in another column products you purchased. All the products you purchased mentioned with the name of comma. Then if we want to analyze in a proper manner, we need to give a product 1, product 2, product 3 columns, and we need to keep one product in one place, right?
Okay.
Like that, we need to extract all the data and we need to put it in a specific shape about the all the data. Okay. Raw data. Build table relationships to create data model. Why? Because each and every, we don't get our entire data from one table, right? We have multiple tables. We need to give the connection and design our data model to analyze our entire situation. Okay, and after that, finally, interactive reports to visualize. That's it. This is the flow. Okay. If you find some time, please explore these things.
Mm.
Text options, number options, calendar options, and visualization options. Okay, and Power Query options. You know, right? How to go into the query editor, and then from there you can able to navigate to the Power Query.
Sir,
You can do whatever the operations you want to do. If
so
anything is wrong, you can close it and you can open it.
sir, query editor ante will go there by pressing on the transform data. That's what, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Here you will able to see subtitle, queries, relationships, calculation, security, data, like this.
Queries. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is the full version. Like Tableau, we are not hiding any features. This is a full version. Like Windows OS.
Sir, hiding means what?
In Tableau, we're not able to use all the features, right? Like for example, to connect to the database and to save our work to the local environment. Those are not possible in Tableau, right? Because of
Yes,
the public
yes,
version what we are using.
yes.
Like that, this is a public version. We have the entire functionality.
Okay.
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 Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, everybody.